Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Sci-Fun. Today we are going to learn to make something interesting and fun, a DIY weighing balance. I am your friendly mentor Miss Mahek. Without further ado, let's head into the video. The things that you are going to need are displayed in front of you. A mound board, a chart paper or any colored paper, 2 paper cups, thread, eraser and a screw. What I have done is I have cut the desired shape in my mound board and covered it with the coloring paper. You will need these erasers for providing support to your weighing balance. Make sure you do this beforehand so there are no delays. What I have also done is threaded my paper cups and attached them to this looking figure. Our next step will be to insert a screw in this shape through a hole. Make sure that you do this step very carefully, as this is going to be the support system of your weighing balance. Our next step will be to attach our stand of the weighing balance to the main body of the weighing balance, which consists of the cups. Insert the screw through the hole. You need to make sure that the holes are exactly on top of each other or your weighing balance will not be sturdy enough. We need a screw for this step is to make sure that our weighing balance is able to move when we add the weight in both the pans. Next step is mounting our weighing balance onto its stand. For this you will need glue and the erasers that I mentioned earlier for support. You need to apply the glue on the stand of the weighing balance as well to make sure that the support is sturdy and doesn't move. Next step is to insert your weighing balance between the 2 rubber stands that you have made. Make sure to press it firmly and let it dry before you use it. Et voila! Our weighing balance is ready for use. Now you can add various instruments that can be used and balanced. Here I have used a few coins as standard weights of measurement. As you can see, our weighing balance is leaning towards one end on adding weights. What I noticed is that the height of the pan was too short, so I transferred it to an elevated surface by placing my bottle above a cup. This fun instrument can be used to teach various concepts such as balance or unbalanced force, physical quantities and measurement. It will prove to be a helpful teaching aid in class and also a successful model for your science exhibitions. You will see that we have equal weights in both the pans, so the marker is at the center. This is one of the few examples when I use this weighing balance as a teaching aid in my class to teach physical quantities and measurement, and the subtopic was causes of error in measurement. My lesson was very successful and the students understood the concept very well. I was teaching them the precautions that need to be taken when they go for shopping. Thank you for watching the video. Hoping to see you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any updates.